In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Reddit. So what we're gonna do is look for a video that we wanna download and then click share, and then you wanna copy link. Now, once you've copied the link to that video, you wanna go to vidit.red. And here you could click on the search bar, paste the link that you copied, and then click submit. So on this page, you wanna select which file type you want to download. So I'm gonna download a video MP4 file for this video. And that is how you download a video from Reddit. Another easy way to download videos from Reddit is using your browser. Go to a post and then just add DL to the URL. So it's gonna be redditdl.com, and then click enter. It's gonna take you to the download page, and from here you could just click on download, and that is how you download videos from Reddit. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.